quick quiz. What's the first thing we should do when we're confronted with a financial/interest problem? I'll give you a second. Did you say write down the information and organize it as you come to it? If so, good job, because that's exactly what we always begin our problems by doing. So, pawn shop offers to finance a guitar costing $750. There's our principal amount. That's what's being financed. At 4% simple interest, so our interest rate is 0.04, meaning in our formulas we're going to use R equals 0.04. The total interest charge will be $150. So the amount of interest I is $150. Now we've already written down all this information. Finally, we come to the question, what is the term of the loan and the monthly payment? So there's two questions here. First, we're looking for the term of the loan, which is T in our interest formula. Well, of course, our interest formula is I equals P times R times T, and we're given three pieces of information here. We are told that I is 150. We're told that P is 750. We are told that R is 0.04, and we don't know T. Now our job is to solve for T, which we will do by dividing both sides of this equation by 750 times 0.04. So we find that T is 150 divided by 750 times 0.04. And doing the calculation, that works out to be exactly 5. So that tells us that the term of the loan is 5 years. And what I'm doing here, writing out an answer as a sentence, is almost always a good idea to a word problem, because it really encourages you to think about what the question was asking and think about whether your answer makes sense, while a term of 5 years for a loan seems perfectly reasonable. Second question is, what is the monthly payment? Well, our monthly payment always comes from taking the future value of the loan, which is the total amount that needs to be repaid, and dividing by the number of months. Well, in this case, the total amount that needs to be repaid is $900, which I got from adding the principal amount of $750 and the interest charged of $150. We just found that the term is 5 years, which means there will be 60 months of payments because there's 60 months in 5 years. So I divide $900 by 60 months, and what I get is $15 per month. Again, focusing on the units, I divided a dollar amount by a number of months. I got $15 per month, which is a perfectly reasonable answer when you're looking for a monthly payment.